Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Craftsman multiplayer with friends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Craftsman game on your device and create a new world. This will be the world that your friend will join. After creating the world, make sure that your friend is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as you. Craftsman multiplayer works through LAN, which requires both players to be on the same local network. Once your friend is connected to Wi-Fi, have them open Craftsman on their device. On the main screen, they should navigate to the Friends tab located at the top of the screen. This section will display any LAN games that are currently available. Your world will appear in the LAN section automatically as long as it is open on your device. Your friend can then simply tap on your world to join. After joining, both of you will appear in the same world and can start building, exploring, or playing together. If the world does not appear for your friend, check that both devices are properly connected to the same network. So, that's basically how you can play Craftsman multiplayer with friends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.